Hey, want to learn how to play the introduction to the Gravity Falls theme song? Well then watch this video. Okay, so first we need to move up above middle C. You are going to start with an F under your pinky. Third finger's going to play a D, and your thumb is going to play an A. This makes up a D inverted chord. So we're going to start at the top and walk our way down and walk back up. Simple as that. So practice that until that feels comfortable. Then the next place you're gonna go is your pinky is gonna stay on the F. Instead of playing the D, you're now gonna play the C with your second finger, and then your thumb stays on the A. So really just one note changed. This is an F major chord, inverted. Play that until that feels comfortable. So if I start at the beginning, F, D, and A, I'm going to play walking that down and back up 2 times. Now I'm going to change that middle note, C. And we just do that 2 times. I'll do that again. Here's the change. Then, instead of playing your pinky, you're going to use your 4th finger on the E, and then, or you could use your pinky if it's more comfortable. You can move it down, your choice. Second finger on C sharp, or if you're using your pinky here, you can put your 3rd finger on C sharp. But your thumb still stays on that A. It likes the A. Why make it move, right? And that is an A major chord. And we play that 3 times, and then we play an A up here. So that'll go, again, let's practice that until that's comfortable. E, C sharp, A, C sharp, E, C sharp, A. And then play the A up there. We're going from E, skip 2 notes, and there's your A. So if I play that whole introduction, let's get that D minor chord ready again. Play that 2 times, move the middle note. Now move down to an E and the A major chord. We're gonna play that 3 times, and then an E and an A. Okay, if I speed it up. And even a little faster. Ooh, I did it wrong. Ah, try again. How's that? And here is the whole song if you'd like to hear what the finished product will sound like. There you go. So thanks for watching. Practice that part. I will work on getting the next part, the melody, up on a video so you can learn that too. All right, bye.